Hello, my people. Hello, friends. Hello, Gan. I meet my beautiful lady. Yes, sexy lady. This one is Miss Milton Keynes. So, Charlie, it's not easy. Sweetheart, tell people your name. Tell us your name, and tell us what you have for us. Okay?
Alright, thank you.
Okay. Let's go.
My name is Oyindamola Ojoeriamiato. I'm Nigerian and I'm an event decorator. I've been a decorator for about 20 years, decorated for weddings, birthdays, corporate events, including the NatWest Accelerator Hub and InterSwitch Group. We have been working with organizations and individuals and families for almost 2 decades now. It's been amazing. So if you have an event coming up, we're based in Milton Keynes and we're happy to travel also outside of Milton Keynes. We've worked at Birmingham, even Kent, before. So if you have an event coming up, feel free to reach out to us. Our website is www.cbonito.com. Our Instagram page also is
My sister, wait. Look. The way you're looking sexy and gorgeous, and your place shows that, yeah, you're a decorator. I want to ask you before you put your social media handles and your telephone number. Only around Milton Keynes, like you mentioned, Birmingham, Coventry, only around that side you do, or the whole UK. The whole UK.
So we're happy to walk outside of Milton Keynes. I would say anywhere in the UK, but if it's pretty much far north, that might not be cost effective for our clients because of logistics and all that. But we're happy for anyone who loves our brand and would love to work with us. We're happy to go anywhere in the UK.
Okay. Because in fact the way even your back is, your decoration, I know somebody is in Scotland, Wales can come and hire you.
Absolutely.
All right, now if somebody needs you, now I want to tell people your contact, the place that they can get you. Tell us.
So to reach us, there are different ways you can reach us. We have a website, www.cbonito.com. We have an Instagram page that is also c_bonito_deco. You can also reach us on our WhatsApp number 078-3040-6884. And all other information is email and all that you see on those 3 platforms. Thank you.
Okay. What about somebody in Germany? You want to do party or a group? They need you. They will pay your tickets, and the amount you charge, they will add some on it. Are you ready to go or only?
Absolutely, we love destination events. So if you love our brand so much and you want us to come to Germany, absolutely, we're up for it. We are able to do that and we're happy to.
Oh.
So our final words for people is that your event doesn't have to be boring. What we do is to create memorable experiences for our clients that goes beyond just having tables set up. There is aesthetics involved, a lovely combination of colors, and we also make sure that it's functional for them, the space is functional for them. So our last word for you is that hire us to create a memorable experience for you that lasts even years after that event. Thank you.
Okay. Say hello to your family, your customers. Greet them. Yeah, and let's go.
Okay, so we've been decorating with for families and organizations for over 2 decades. And we want to use this opportunity to thank everyone who has patronized us and our family members, support system who have been very supportive and being there for us over the years. We are grateful for your love, for your support, and all our clients. Thank you.
Okay. Say goodbye. Bye.